welcome back to another video. Just by the Anglers Country Park, which is on the left, and behind me on the right is the Wintersett reservoir. Just thought I'd just capture this little moment where there's a farm vehicle going back up to the other vehicle up there, possibly to dump its load, possibly to turn off onto the road. We'll have a little look for a moment, shall we? Let's just watch live and see how they're getting on. If you like this little video, you can like, subscribe, tap the little bell for notification, share, comment, and just stand for a moment and watch. It looks like the crop could be potatoes. Yeah, it is indeed a potato crop. There are 1 or 2 potatoes on top of the soil, and that's what he's doing. He's pouring the potatoes into the vehicle there, and then I'll be taking them back to the farm. So thank you for watching, and I'll say bye bye for now.